listen up! We are here today to recruit volunteers to join the resistance.
Join us today and give Amphibia a fighting chance.
Are there any perks?
Besides saving your world? Well...
There sure are, and allow me to tell you all about them.
Oh, Frog, no.
This plant was grown underground in our very own hydroponics-based resistance garden. Join us, and you too can take part in a horticultural revolution.
Oh, no, we're losing them.
And Pablo! Wait a second, everyone. If you join today, you could eventually look like this.
All right.